Here's another lovely little early morning view on May the 25th, 2010 in Oviedo, Spain. A nice interior courtyard here that appears to have a couple of restaurants or bars. Las Forjages, I don't know. Casa de Comidas, okay, this is definitely a restaurant. There's another place here on this side, right there. And this lovely balcony up here with all the flowers and the colorful walls. And this is looking back out onto the main street.